No time to get ready. Damn it. Yeah! Holy fuck! CNW, Golden West Service. There you go. Awesome. CNW. Again, how many CNWs are we gonna get here? Gate, please do, please do not go up and hit me in the face. Oh man, that AC. Actually, no, 1223 says an IAC. Anything 1175 and up is an IAC. I don't know how I forgot about that. Golden West Service hopper on this thing too.
Canadian locomotive in Tucson East.
First train of the day. And it's a tier 4.
That was a tier 4 leader?
That was a tier 4.
I didn't see the leader.
No, the CN was a tier 4.
Oh.
Leader was an AC or IAC 1223.
It sounded like an EMD.
Yeah, that thing was. It was insane. No, tier 4s are not that punchy with their horn. Oh, that's what he's... Wait, those had a fucking fire code on them. 3077. Okay. I don't think those are standard waste cars, then. NS. Is that your first time hearing one of those horns?
Yeah.
K5LLA.
That's what.
They are really insane.
That's cool.
Yeah, they're usually on those ACs there.
Yeah.
Although that one was an IAC. Anything that's numbered 1175 and up is an IAC up here when it comes to those EMDs.
I've been up here before.
Yeah, it's a nice place up here.
I was up here. I was telling Sam.
Usually I don't see trains going up the mountain this fast though. This is crazy.
I was telling Sam the last time that I was up here, the snow, there was fucking high.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that was in my old truck, so.
Bunch of tankers on this train.
No, I know.
We got like a Golden West Service hopper and stuff. That was pretty cool. I think that's a DPU up there. I think I see a DPU up there.
Yeah.
See lights.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, there's lights down there. I'm not sure that's deep. Yeah, it's DPU. See what that is. Are you fucking serious? That's crazy. $66.94. That's awesome.
We were just watching
Canadian
the-
National Tier 4 on the front, and then we got a BNSF mid DPU. What is this train? This is crazy.
What are these Sundays we're having?
I don't know. This is crazy.
What's in the back? A fucking CSX Heritage unit? Is he no way gonna be in the back?
I don't know.
Is 419 come back to the dead? Dog shit.
It's crazy, bro. Wow. Alright. Back to train cars I'm looking for, these hoppers and box cars. So many tanker cars on this train. This is actually ridiculous. The NSF box car, very fitting for considering what we just saw there. It's even H3, just like the one we actually saw there. Ferromex hopper. I saw it. There comes the ACUs. Ferromex hopper, okay. Oh, here we go. I hear those, another one. I hear those, that's one too, FXE. FXE. There's one too now. There's another one. Ferromex. Another one. Fucking stupid. These are